Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view historical price date on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in coingecko.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the CoinGecko. So we have the market in the bottom left corner. We have the portfolio, the search bar, explore, and more in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view historical price data on CoinGecko. So follow these 5 steps that I'll be showing you now. Go to the CoinGecko website and navigate to CoinGecko. Search for the crypto, or of course the application where we are at the moment. Search for the cryptocurrency, so use the search bar at the top to find cryptocurrencies you're interested. You can go click here or go to market and click on the one that you're here. Then navigate to the historical date section. Once the cryptocurrency page, scroll down to the find historical data tab. When you go in the cryptocurrency, to go of course and change to see that. Of course you can go and change, you see the volume to 24-hour volume, etc, etc. Then select the data range and then view or download this data. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.